Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I have got a very interesting product. This is the Powerbeats Pro from Beats with the H1 Apple chip, right? This product is about 2 or 3 years old, but it is still relevant in 2024. Let me explain why. So before going into the details, let me do quick unboxing, show you what are the contents of this box, and then I'll let you know why I bought this. So after removing the wrapping, let's see. Yep, from here it will open. Okay, here is the case. Looks good, sturdy. Let's see if there is anything else in the box. Yes, there is actually a lot of things here. Okay, so cable to charge them, and it's lightning cable, USB-C to lightning, and some ear tips just for your perfect fit, and some Apple Music, yeah, and some stickers and paperwork. All this is good. Let's look at what comes in the box first now. So box is bigger than the Apple AirPods Pro box, and obviously it is slightly chunkier as well. It's like double the size of the Apple AirPods Pro box. These are the earbuds. What is written here? To pair, keep. Okay, that's fine, we'll pair them later. Look at them, the color is gorgeous. I really like this blue color and with the tinge of brass, I would say. Okay, this is how they should fit. Okay, this is all. You have this LED light just for the indication if you are able to charge them. This is where the lightning cable port is there to charge them. Very simple, minimal case. The battery life on the earphones is 9 hours, but you can get extra 15 from the case, so it makes it 24 hours of battery life, which is really good. So now let me tell you why I bought this, and the biggest feature is listed right on top of the box: sweat and water resistant. And these are going to be my workout earbuds. So I currently have this Apple AirPods Pro, and they are really good. I use them for workout, but you know the problem with them, they fall out of my ear whenever I'm doing like bench press or pull up, something like that, and they just come out of my ear. So this is going to just keep me, so these are just gonna stay in my ear even if when I'm running, doing pull-ups, because they have this over the ear kind of design wherein they will go in and wrap my ear completely. For me, that's the biggest feature. That's it. Other things, why I bought this now and not earlier and before, or why I am not buying it later, the main reason is the Prime Day sale that is currently going on. So because of the Prime Day deal, I bought this in a very good discount. I think they were running 40% discount, but that is like a gimmick, because generally it doesn't go for $249, it goes for $200. So it was like $50 discount, and I bought during the Prime Day sale. I could have waited longer, but again, it's not gonna go to $100 or something like that. Needed a pair of earbuds for workout sooner, because I'm starting to go to gym and start to work out again after my surgery. So these are going to be really good. These are the biggest things I bought them. Obviously it has Apple's H1 chip, and that is why there is no other competition to this. All these manufacturers are focusing on replicating what Apple has done with the AirPods Pro, and none of them are building AirPod or the earbuds for workout purpose, and this is really good. So it has the Apple H1 chip, so it is going to pair with my phone very quickly, seamlessly, and it will be compatible with all my Apple devices that I have. And moreover, the biggest thing, it's gonna stay in my ear. That's it. Alright, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.